Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to do a meal prep, dinner, breakfast, whatever you want to call it. So let's get started. A broccoli salad, and I have placed on the stove some water, and then I'm going to go ahead and salt the water so I can blanch the broccoli. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of salt to this water. This is for blanching the broccoli. Okay, the water is hot enough for me to put the broccoli in the pan. I tried to cut all the broccoli about the same. I know I need to probably have more water than this, but this will work. Added the salt to it, so it should be fine. I turn the eye off. So what I'm going to do is drain the water off of the broccoli, and I'm going to place a cup of ice on the top of them. Now I'm going to add the ice to it so it can stop cooking. I just took this ice out of the refrigerator, so you don't have to mess up another pan to put ice on your vegetables. But I ran them under cold water for a couple minutes, and they cooled down, so the ice will definitely stop them from cooking. I just want to remind you, when you cook the broccoli, if you have a really deep pan, you need to cook it less than a minute. When it starts turning green like this, make sure you add your salt to the water as well. When it starts turning green like this, it's ready. You don't have to cook them that long, because when you use salad dressings like vinegar, olive oil, and things like that, it's going to cook them a little bit more. I chopped up 2 cloves of garlic. It's in the bottom of this bowl here. And I'm going to add a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to add a half a cup of olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. Okay, that's half a cup. I'm going to use a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to add a teaspoon of sea salt. Here's the broccoli. There's still ice on it, but it cooled down, so I'm going to drain it. Added some cheese to it, and I'm going to add some oregano to it, and that'll be it. I hope you enjoy this salad. It's really good. Yeah, put a little pepper flakes in there. You don't have to do that, but I like things a little heat in it. And here's the oregano. That's about half a teaspoon of oregano. So I hope you try making this meal prep. And go ahead and mix it up again. And I'm going to go ahead and place it in the refrigerator. Okay, this is Bill's plate here. Lots of vegetables, the fried cauliflower rice, and the gravy with the turkey meatballs. Awesome looking plate. So if you like this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, if you'd like for me to make more meal prep videos, just let me know in the comment section.